The Reserve Bank is worried that consumers and those providing credit to them could be left highly exposed when interest rates begin to go up. It's also highlighted the danger of any further rating downgrades in South Africa. The bank says this will result in huge capital outflows and affect the rating of the local bond market.
The consequences for South Africa would come through higher borrowing costs for the government, and when the borrowing costs of government rise, the borrowing costs of everybody also rises, whether you are a finance institution or you are a corporate or you are a household for that matter.
The Reserve Bank says the proposed credit amnesty is not a major threat to banks or financial stability, but it warns it could force them to lend less to consumers.
Our concern is that the current credit amnesty, in spite of its well intentions, could actually have an adverse impact on the flow of credit. And if it affects the flow of credit, it's going to affect real economic activity.
The bank says closer monitoring of non-banking credit providers is also necessary. It says shadow banking activities are set to be increasing globally. These could also pose risks to the local financial system. Leuta Motlogelwa, SABC News, Pretoria.
Well, it depends on your perspective, but this could be news. A growth in the number of loans given out is slowing down. For the month of September, credit extension rose by 7.5%. That compares to over 8% in August. Both corporate and household credit growth slowed.